In this online workshop, we get into the topic of service design and service blueprints. So service blueprints are the kind of culmination of a strategy for improving a service that comes together and documents what's happening with customers, with employees, with the operations level, with the back end of a system, or the back end of a process, or the back end of the data or the third parties that run that. So blueprinting is very, very important, and we're going to actually discuss service design process in general and how we actually get to the blueprint. The blueprint itself is, it's like a journey map in the sense that it's a deliverable, but it's also important to understand the thinking, the process, and the assets, if you will, that went into the creation of that blueprint. So on this online workshop, we're going to create a service blueprint. We're going to bring in some real data and use that to inform our blueprinting process. And then we'll talk about how to manage the longevity of that blueprint and how to learn from the organizational best practices of service design, delivery, and rollout, and maintenance of your service blueprint. I hope you can join me on this exciting online workshop where we dive into service blueprinting.